Hey there, are you an audio engineer looking for a clean way to set up Cubase Pro on your system for free? In this video, I'll show you how to get it running so you can jump straight into mixing, mastering, and tracking your projects. Stick around till the end. To kick things off, head over to our website and grab the installer package. Once you run it, the tool will automatically start pulling down the core audio engine components for your setup. Let's push forward with installing the auxiliary components. This part unpacks the extra sound libraries and VST tools, so it might take just a little bit longer. Alright, let's fire it up and see what we've actually got under the hood. Time to take a look at the main project window and make sure everything is good to go. Yep, everything runs absolutely fine and is ready for your tracks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.